Okay, here's the second video for the REI standard for Math 2, preparing for the final exam, spring 2019. All of these videos are based on the review document I've already put on OneNote. Looks like this. We're just teaching the concepts on how to solve these problems, and as always, this list of concepts and videos is not all inclusive. You're responsible for learning everything we've gone over. So for these two, excuse me, we're solving with the quadratic formula. Why the quadratic formula? Because they don't factor easily, which is up here, and you can't complete the square easily because the middle coefficient is odd. Okay? So over here, we're just going to use the quadratic formula. You have to memorize this. You're not going to be given it on the test. You have to memorize the quadratic formula. So let's say here x equals the opposite of b plus or minus b squared minus 4, and I always like to write a and c in parentheses like that, over 2 times a is 2. Now we got to simplify this part. What's 9 minus 28? Is that negative 19? Man, how can I not? 9 minus 28. I was right. Negative 19. So the answer to this one is just 3 plus or minus rad negative 19 over 2. Can we leave the answer like that?
Yeah.
Somebody say no. No. What do we have to do with this right here?
You have to...
What's going to pop out of the radical? Yeah, it's going to be the imaginary number I. So it's 3 plus or minus I rad 19 all over 2. Okay? Now that's the easy one. Over here, oh, I said use quadratic formula. We don't have to complete the square. Oh, this becomes really easy. Okay. So x equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a now is 2 and c is negative 13 over 2 times a makes the bottom 4. Now I can't do this in my head. 8 times 13. You see how we have one negative and another negative? It's going to turn into a positive. So it's going to be 25 plus, what's 8 times 13? Thank you, 104. What's 25 plus 104? Is that 129? Okay. So the answer, I don't think 129 is going to break down anymore. But leave it in simplest radical form like this. Let's see. You're looking for a number, a perfect square that goes into 129. I'm pretty sure 36, 49, 129 divided by 49. Nope. There's no perfect square that goes equally into 129. So this is simplest form, and we're done. Woot woot.